humanitarian crisis, a new research showing that extreme hunger is closely linked to the climate crisis. Many areas of the world being impacted by extreme weather conditions are experiencing severe food shortages. Development agency Oxfam examined 10 of the world's worst climate hotspots afflicted by drought, floods, severe storms, and other extreme weather conditions. Their findings showing that the rate of extreme hunger has more than doubled in the past 6 years. The 10 countries covered by the report were Somalia, Haiti, Djibouti, Kenya, Niger, Afghanistan, Guatemala, Madagascar, Burkina Faso, and Zimbabwe. Somalia is experiencing its worst drought on record, forcing 1 million people to flee the country. While in Kenya, 2.5 million livestock died. 2.4 million people are going hungry. In Niger, cereal production has fallen by 40% owing to extreme weather and leaving 2.6 million people in a state of acute hunger. While the desertification of crop and pasture land in Burkina Faso resulted in more than 3.4 million people being pushed towards extreme hunger. According to the report, within these 10 countries, around 18 million people are on the brink of starvation, while 48 million people are currently suffering from acute hunger, which is an increase from around 21 million people in 2016. Moreover, recently the UN Food Chief had warned that up to 345 million people are on the verge of starvation, while 70 million more people have been pushed closer towards it due to the ongoing war in Ukraine. David Beasley, Executive Director of the UN World Food Programme, told the UN Security Council that in the 82 countries where the agency operates, the number of acutely food insecure people has increased by more than twice of what it was before the COVID-19 pandemic struck in 2020.
As 2022 began, we were facing a perfect storm then due to rising conflict, COVID's economic ripple effects, climate change, rising fuel prices, and then just when you think it couldn't get any worse, Ukraine. And since this conflict began, soaring food, fuel, and fertilizers costs have driven an additional 70 million people closer to starvation. What was a wave of hunger is now a tsunami of hunger.
Despite the agreement in July, which allowed Ukrainian grains to be shipped from 3 Black Sea ports, according to the UN Food Chief, there is a real and dangerous risk of multiple famines this year. And in 2023, the current food price crisis could develop into a food availability crisis if no action is taken. Moreover, humanitarian coordinator Martin Griffiths told the Security Council that famine will happen in Somalia and it will not be the only place either. South Sudan, Yemen, Northeast Nigeria and Ethiopia will also be hit. A combined estimated 648,000 people could face catastrophe level of food insecurity.